This is from Grandma Lady. Isn't it awesome?
Yellow star. That's fun, Mommy.
Look at you, Henry.
That's fun.
That's fun? This is from Grandma Lady. She says, Merry Christmas.
That's a tunnel.
It is a tunnel.
I go in.
Okay. Can you say thank you, Grandma Lady?
Thank you, Grandma Katie.
Yay! Merry Christmas.
That's fun, Mommy.
Are you in your tent? Awesome.
Papa, I'm hiding.
You're hiding?
I go sleep.
You're gonna go to sleep in your tent?
Hello. Oh, wow.
What do you see on the side of your tent, Henry? Do you see any giraffes? This is awesome, huh? Ooh, I see a tiger. Roar. Henry, do you see an elephant anywhere in our house?
What?
Do you see any elephants in our house? Henry, do you see an elephant up there? Look, Henry, an elephant. An elephant. It's a hat. Can you put that on your head?
Let's play music. Press any key to play the song.
Here, Papa. No, like this, Henry.
I can't fit.
What's Mommy on her head? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. I'm just gonna play with anything else now. You see me? I see you. What does an elephant sound like, Henry?
I found you, Papa.
That's great. That's awesome.
I see you.
I see you.
I see you too, Mommy.
I see you too. Hi, Eleanor. Hi. Boop. 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 What's going on? Do you want to wear an elephant hat?
Nope.
No.